Hello there. Have you ever wanted to mention someone in a comment on someone else's post on Facebook, but didn't know how to do it on your Android phone? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. To get started, find the post you want to comment on and click on the comments section. This will bring up the comment box where you can type your comment. To mention someone in your comment, type the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to mention. As you type, Facebook will suggest names for you to choose from. If the person you want to mention isn't on the list, you can simply finish typing their name. Once you've typed the person's name, it will appear as a clickable link in your comment. When someone clicks on the link, they will be taken to the person's Facebook profile. Mentioning someone in a comment is a great way to draw their attention to a post that they might be interested in. It's also a good way to start a conversation with someone on Facebook. It's important to note that when you mention someone in a comment, they will receive a notification letting them know that they've been mentioned. This can be useful if you want to make sure that someone sees a particular post or comment. In summary, here are the steps to mention someone in a comment on someone else's post on Facebook on Android. 1. Find the post you want to comment on. 2. Click on the comments section. 3. Type the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to mention. 4. Choose the person from the list of suggestions or finish typing their name. 5. Click Post to publish your comment. That's it. Mentioning someone in a comment is a great way to draw attention to a post or start a conversation on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on social media and technology.